Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cam with Sri. Today I am at R&R Tapah and tonight I'm going to try something simple but meaningful. I'm not staying in a hotel, not booking a homestay and not setting up a big tent. Tonight I'm going to stay inside my car using my SUV camper setup. This is what Camp with Sri is about. Simple road trips, healing drive, SUV camper life, food stops, R&R stays and budget travel. I want to show that we do not need luxury to enjoy a journey. Sometimes a simple drive, a safe parking spot, good food and a peaceful night inside the car is enough, guys. Some people may ask, why R&R Tapah? Why camp at R&R? For me, R&R Tapah is a good stop because it is easy to access from the highway and it is the basic things traveler need. There are toilets, food stalls, parking areas, lighting and many people around, guys. Very safe. When you are driving long distance, especially alone, places like this are very useful to stop, rest, freshen up, eat and recharge before continuing the journey. This is not really luxury camping. This is more like a safe overnight road trip. Rest. Drive, stop, eat, rest, sleep and continue the next day, guys. This is why I like SUV camper life. You do not need a big campervan or expensive setup to start. You can begin with what you have. Hold the back seat, arrange a mattress, prepare a pillow, small fan, power bank, light, water, snacks and basic items. Slowly your SUV becomes a simple mini camper. Of course, this is not a 5-star hotel, but feeling is different. You feel free, you can rest when your body needs it, you can enjoy the journey, not only the destination. Now the important question is it safe to sleep at R&R? For me, safety depends on how you choose the spot and how we prepare. I will always choose a bright parking area, not too hidden and not too far from other people. I will not park in a dark corner. I'll keep my doors locked, my valuables hidden and my phone charged. I will also make sure I have enough ventilation and keep everything simple. Most importantly, guys, we must respect the place. An R&R is a public rest area, not a private campsite. So I will not open a big camp setup, block parking, make noise or leave rubbish behind. I am only using this place as a rest stop during my road trip. For beginners who want to try SUV camping and R&R, can be a good first step because you are not fully isolated. You can test your setup, see whether your mattress is comfortable, check if your fan and power are enough and learn what you need to improve the next trip. If you want to try this, start simple, guys. One mattress, one pillow, one small fan, one power bank, one light water and common sense. You do not need to buy everything at once. Every trip will teach you something new. For those who want DIY this kind of DIY SUV camper setup ideas, I will put useful links in the description below. You can check ideas for mattress setup, folding bed platforms, privacy cover, ventilation, basic camper arrangement, guys. For me, road trips like this are healing. Sometimes life becomes too routine, work, traffic, stress and repeat. A simple drive can help clear the mind. You do not need to go far or spend too much. You just need to take a break and enjoy the small moments. Also, if you are interested in gold saving or gold investment, you can check my public gold registration link in the description below. And if you need help with insurance, medical card, life protection or savings plan, you can WhatsApp me. I will put the details in the description. So tonight, this is my plan. I'll get some food, check the area and park safe and bright spot, set up my SUV camper and rest for the night. This is not luxury camping. This is simple SUV camper life. Safe rest, budget travel, healing drive and peaceful night at R&R Tapah. If you enjoy this kind of content, please support Camp with Sri. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment if you have ever tried sleeping in your car before. This is Camp with Sri. Let's see how the night goes at R&R Tapah, guys.